Here are some practice problems for solving equations using inverse operations, specifically addition and subtraction. So here our first problem we're going to look at is 17 plus C equals 41. Now remember, the goal is to get C by itself. This would be a good place to pause the video and try it on your own. Okay, so to get C by itself, I've got to get rid of this 17. I've got to move it. The inverse for 17, or the opposite of 17, is minus 17. If I do it to the left side of the equal sign, I've got to do it on the other side. So I'm going to subtract 17. 17 minus 17 is 0, so I'm just left with C. And then I've got to do 41 minus 17. Now if you have a calculator, you can put it in your calculator. Otherwise, we can do our standard subtraction using the standard algorithm. 11 minus 7 is 4, because I regrouped. 3 minus 1 is 2. I can check my work by plugging this back in. If I rewrite 17 plus C equals 41, my original equation, and plug in my answer, 17 plus 24 equals 41. Well, does 17 plus 24 equal 41? Yes. So I know that my answer is correct. Okay, let's try one more. 10 plus D equals 24. Remember, the goal is to get the variable by itself. Now would be a good time to pause the video and try this on your own. Okay, we're going to get the D by itself by using the inverse or the opposite of 10. That would be minus 10. Whatever I do to this side of the equal sign, I've got to do on this side. Minus 10. 10 minus 10 is 0, so I'm just left with D. 24 minus 10, 14. I can check my work by rewriting the original equation, 10 plus D equals 24, and plugging in what I got as my answer. 10 plus 14 equals 24. And 24 does equal 24, so I know that my answer is correct.